here again from BMPRO. Today I'm going to run you through a battery change on our little SmartSense devices. So these, you may know, are part of our Smart Connect range. Go onto the bottom of the gas bottle and a couple of really strong magnets here that attach up, and they send a signal up through the gas bottle and gives you a really high level of detecting what's going on inside your gas bottle. Anyway, I'm not here to talk about the device because you probably already got it, which is why you're watching this video. I'm going to talk about how we change the battery on the inside. Firstly, the battery is a CR2032, stock standard battery. Find them in all your Bunnings stores, hardware stores, supermarkets and the like. Go and grab yourself one of those. Then you need a screwdriver, just with a flat head. Now there's 4 clips on the inside of this, and the clips are located on opposite sides at the bottom of the sticker and at opposite sides just above the top of the sticker. So very carefully, I'm just going to pop this into here. Just lift it out. You can see they just popped out pretty easily. Here we are. Take that apart. Okay, just put the cover down. Just put the cover down for a minute. It's got a small PCB on the inside of it. You can see the battery in there. That flaps loose, and that's okay. It's supposed to do that, so don't worry about that. Don't try and disconnect it. The wires, they're too fiddly and you might break them. But very simply, you can see the battery sitting in a little specially designed metallic case there. Just push it with your thumb, or get your screwdriver out and just push it out. Grab it on the other side there. So there you go. So that's it. Very simple. So to install it, put it back in. You'll feel when it reaches the other end, so don't force it anything further, but there's a little catch there. Put it back in. Put the PCB back inside there. Sits nice and snugly. It's got a recess that it drops into. Make sure the wires are running over the top so they don't get tangled up, and just sit it there nice and easy, ready to go. And again, it just clicks back together. Line it up. Put one side in first and the other side. A little bit of pressure, doesn't take a lot, and then you'll just find that that enclosure is flat there with the lip on the outside, and there you go. So there you go. Now you'll find it'll come up on your BMPRO system. Doesn't matter which system you've got, as long as you've got Smart Connect, your sensor will now be found. There you go, nice and easy. See you next time.